Want to create a business account on Bluesky for your brand or company? Here's what you need to know before setting one up. Start by opening the Bluesky website or mobile app and selecting the Sign Up option. Enter your business email address and create a secure password to register the account. Next, choose a username that represents your brand or company name so it's easy for people to recognize. After the account is created, go to your profile settings and update your bio, profile photo, and website link to clearly show that the account represents a business or organization. Bluesky currently does not have a separate business account type, so companies simply create a normal account and customize it with their brand information. If you want additional credibility, you can also connect your company website to your handle so your username matches your domain, which helps confirm the account belongs to your organization. After setting up your profile and adding your brand details, your Bluesky account can be used to share updates, connect with your audience, and grow your business presence on the platform. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.